say that.
That's not what she's saying.
It's a bitch.
Lainey.
It's a bitch.
What?
It's water.
What
That's
is
not what you said.
What is it?
Lainey, don't say that.
Bitch.
Oh.
It's a bitch.
Hey, whatever you're saying, that is not a
It's a
nice...
bitch.
No, it's a witch. It's a witch. Say witch.
Bitch.
Witch. Lainey, so you guys gotta stop laughing at her.
Okay.
Can you say switch? How about
Oh.
Mr. Smith? No, that is not nice. Say Mr. Smith. Mitch. How about Mitch? No. Oh my gosh. That's not good. Say water. Where's the pigs? Where'd the pigs go? Say, Camille, where's your pigs? Where's your pigs? They're in the water. Ask Camille. Say, where'd your pigs go?
They went under the water.
No.
Don't say that.
Pig. Pig. No. Pig. How about water? Can you say water? You gotta learn how to talk. Because that is not good.